Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Chandi. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach and chicken very easy dish. Let's see how I'm going to do it. First thing first, let's prep the veg. Dice onion finely, set aside. Garlic, chop them finely. Handful of spinach. Today I'm going to use the chicken breast, so let's take the chicken breast out. Season with salt, pepper, olive oil, and rub them together and repeat the same both sides. Then set aside. Now get a pan, add some oil and heat it up. Sear the chicken breast both sides. Presentation side first. Add a garlic and send it into the preheated oven 180 degrees about 10 minutes. Then get another pan with oil. Add diced onion, garlic, saute, then add the spinach. Add some pepper, salt to the taste. Add some stock, double cream and let it boil. Once it boils, start blending. Blend until smooth puree. Look at that. That's the texture we are looking. Get another pan and saute some spinach, add a knob of butter, season and set aside. Now our chicken is ready. Add a knob of butter and glaze the chicken just to avoid getting dry. Now our food is ready. Time to plating. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed me yet, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. You will never miss my videos again. Pour the sauce around and garnish with pea shoot. Drizzle some olive oil and finish the dish. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.